Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix PlayStation not working problem in today's server down detector website. Open your multiple users are facing this problem, server down in today and PlayStation network problems in server connection problem in today. 43% server connection, 25 login and back. This problem was fixed. Update system software. Go to settings, system software update. Install latest update. Old software can give PCN errors. Change DNS optional. Fix. Sometimes DNS cases connection issue. Use Google DNS. Primary DNS. Secondary DNS. Check for PSN when or if your account is suspended, you cannot access PSN server. If PSN server are globally down, there is no local fix. You must wait for Sunny to restore service.